Good morning.
Good morning, Sunday morning. What time is it?
9:30.
9:30, where are we going?
To the Jete.
To the Jete, aka the gym. What are you training today, baby?
I'm gonna do some legs, some abs, and a bit of chest.
What was your weight this morning?
55.2.
So you lost another 100 grams.
I did, but don't tell Prisma that I weighed myself.
I won't tell her.
Hello!
Basically. Today we are being joined by one of my best friends, Billy, also the best basketball player that ever lived in my little town. That's an actual fact, you can Google it.
The town is not that little, eh?
Qué idiota. He's just like a kid, you know?
Don't put your legs under the boat. Got it.
Are you ready?
Don't die. Yeah,
Oh
I'm
my
ready.
God.
Hey.
You wanna
Is
say
this-
any last
yeah,
words?
I love all of you, all of my subscribers. So this is my last moment, and we beat cancer twice, but you gotta die of something. Hey, take it easy, wait. Give me a minute.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
do I gotta jump in already? Already? Jump in? All right.
Ay, amor,
Wait,
cuidado,
I
mi
gotta
amor,
pee, I gotta
cuidado,
pee.
cuidado.
I gotta pee first. I gotta pee. Wait, I'm peeing first. Give me a second. No, I wanna pee first.
¿Qué te pasa?
Wait.
Oh my God.
Alright, okay.
Cuidado, mi amor. Está loco este niño. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Day 11 of the diet. Today is a glorious day because I have spoken to Friesma just this morning and I am now allowed to have one pasta meal a day. So what's going on over here? We got my baby cooking her usual scanty lunch, and me over here, I'm preparing my pasta with minced meat. Super excited about this one. I actually love pasta, so for me not being able to eat that has been very, very hard. Not only that, but I also actually perform a lot better in the gym when I am able to eat pasta. It's just something about those pasta carbs that hit me right, that gives me the best pumps. And I gotta be honest, in the last couple of days I haven't been vlogging much, also just because of the lack of energy and focus. And that's something that I spoke to Friesma about, that I just feel like I was going too low in the carbs. It doesn't make sense for me to lose weight and then go on a diet if I'm no longer able to perform in the gym. And I definitely got to a point where I was just tired. Like usually I do 2, sometimes even 3 workouts a day. You know, I go hit the gym, I go running, and then I also go hiking all on the same day. And I just feel like I never had that second or third workout in me anymore. And that was a little bit troublesome. So I told him like, hey man, I'm running too low on energy. I feel like this is counterproductive. So he upped the carbs. He gave me this pasta meal. This is the first one that I'm having. I'm about to enjoy it right now and show you guys. In the meantime, I got some more news for you guys. I know you guys were wondering, especially all you females out there watching, how is my girl doing? How is she doing? Well, let's find out and ask her. So baby, what is the current status? How many kilos have you lost by now? Day 11.
Right now I have lost 1 kilo and 300 grams since last Friday, so that's a week. But since it started, I lost 1 kilo and 700, so that's almost 2 kilograms.
2 kilograms!
And I already see it a lot. I notice it a lot in my arms.
Show us some of that good stuff, baby. Look at you, looking flaquita. Flaquita is Spanish for skinny. She loves it when I call her that.
Ay, flaquita, yo quiero ser lo que tú respiras.
Yeah.
You can tell, like she's 2 kgs down in 11 days. Honestly, I would have never expected her to react this well to it, but she's also been super disciplined, sticking to every single thing Friesen has said. Hasn't cheated once, weighing everything, and just look at my baby, man. 11 days in, 2 kgs down. Where do you think this is going to end, baby?
I want to get to 52.
52.
Let's see if I make it. I think I can do it.
Let's see. So, right after this, we are gonna hit up the gym together as my girl runs into the kitchen to go take something off of the stove. Right after this, we're gonna go train together. She's gonna hit legs, I'm gonna train chest. I feel like every time I'm talking to you guys, I'm training chest. I've actually been hitting legs like 3 times a week in these last couple of weeks, so I don't want you guys to get the wrong idea. It just happens to be that way. So I'm gonna do chest, abs, and have a great day. And I think that my pasta is damn near ready, so time to add the sauce. Let's go. And there you have it. My first pasta in 2 weeks. I'm so excited, baby. It's happening. Shout out to Friesen. This is my baby's meal. Her regular lunch meal, which is scampies, shrimp, veggies, and rice. ¿Te gusta, bebé? Mucho? Time to make some history. 40K GPR. Ben is gonna be the spotter. My girl is gonna film it. Those are the weights. Let's do it. Yeah. Okay. It's fine. All right. We used the wrong bench. This time, different setup. The better bench, the better angle. That last exercise was more of a shoulder press than an incline dumbbell press, and better weights. Still 40s though, 40. All right, let's go. 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 Bien. Okej, då stoppar jag.
Done? New PR?
No PR. Sorry, occasion.
Vamos! Thanks for the help.
Talk about the power of pasta, man. First workout in almost 2 weeks on pasta. Immediately got 2 hours in, feel a lot better, feel a lot stronger. Normally, like I said, I would run out after 40 minutes. Now I just felt like I could keep going. So, really good chest workout, and then after that, for the first time since starting this cut, a complimentary cardio sprint session on the treadmill. Very happy, feeling great. It's really good to know that my diet is getting better as I progress along the way, so can't wait to see what's in store. Workout finished. Post-workout meal, my chicken teriyaki, and my girl with the usual salmon, veggies, and sweet potato. Quite a hard workout. She's definitely starting to feel the side effects of the diet. She told me she's a little bit, you know, weaker, had some headache. Obviously, after 2 weeks and 2 kilos, this is gonna happen, but I told her this is what happens if you want to get that amazing shape, so that's why we're documenting the journey. Bumper feet Nidira. Just want to say how much I love this meal right here. Chicken and rice, you can never go wrong. A bunch of veggies, all from my own, well, my dad's backyard. All biological. Let's eat.